Today I'll be unboxing the Toys in a Box mystery pins. These were released in April of 2025 and they are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. These are an open edition pin set, so these could be around for a while. So the pin designs feature various Disney characters as Jack-in-the-Boxes. Very cool designs. This is an 8-pin collection, and I kind of wish it was a 10-pin collection to get a little bit more characters here, but it's an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Mickey Mouse, Stitch, Jiminy Cricket, Cheshire Cat, Winnie the Pooh, Mr. Toad, Marie, and Figment. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 10 boxes here to open up, which is 20 pins total. And if you're wondering, why do I have that many boxes to open? It's because on one of the Tuesday morning pin releases at the Disney store online, they had these and I saw them. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get 5 boxes for an unboxing video, which I did, but I forgot that I already asked Connie to pick me up some when she saw them in the park. So I ended up with 10 boxes. So now the question is, it's an 8-pin collection and I have 20 tries. Will I be able to complete this collection in this video? I don't think I've ever completed a collection in one unboxing video. So the odds here seem good, but I wouldn't be surprised if I beat those odds and still end up a pin or 2 short. So let's find out. So we'll start with these 5 boxes here. These are from the Disney store. So let's see how we do. All right. So we have our 2 pins in the black bags. And our first one is, we have, well, I'm looking at the back. I can already tell from his ears. This is Stitch. His very distinct ears sticking up. So we have Stitch, and the Jack-in-the-Box, or the box, is the same color as his spaceship. And actually this is like Space Stitch. I don't know like what you would call him, but he has his 4 arms there and he has his other little antenna there. So that is pretty cool. Starting out with Stitch. Let's see who we get with Stitch. And I can also tell who this is from their horns. Yeah, Figment. So we have Figment, and the box it's a kind of a sky color with clouds and a rainbow. And then there's the light bulb right there. And then we have Figment, of course, is purple with the orange horns. Very cool. These are nice. I like these. These are super cool. All right, so we have our first 2 pins, 6 more to go, and we have 18 tries. Man, that just seems like I gotta be able to complete this, right? You think? Probably just jinxed myself right there. All right. So this one, I don't know who it is, but it's definitely different, and it is Mr. Toad. So Mr. Toad, the box, is one of the ride vehicles of the Mr. Toad's Wild Ride there, and that's pretty cool. And then Mr. Toad's popping out of the box, and he has his usual suit on, and he got green pants, overalls. I don't know what he's wearing. I actually have them right back there too. Looks kind of like that Funko Pop back there. Hey, what am I doing? I have one more open here until I get to another box. All right, so we had Mr. Toad, and then this one, ooh, I can tell we have a double. So we have our first double, and it is Stitch. All right, so we're gonna put him right there. So now we're gonna get into box 3. All right, let's see what we have here. And oh no, we have another Stitch. Oh, I don't like seeing those ears from the back of the pin. So we have our 3rd Stitch. So this could be a duplicate box if it's Figment or Mr. Toad. And ooh, it's not. I can see different ears here. This one is Marie. Very cool. So Marie is in a pink and blue box. Kind of looks like a pillow that you would put on a sofa. And then Marie is popping out of the box. Very nice. So we made it to halfway. We have 4 of the 8. All right, can we get the rest of the way? Let's see what we get here. And this looks different from the back. And this one is Jiminy Cricket. So Jiminy Cricket has a box that's, looks like we have like a peach color, a blue, and a darker blue. And then we have Jiminy Cricket popping out of the box, and he's got his umbrella. Very cool. All right. Let's see what we get in this one. Along with Jiminy Cricket is a very, very recognizable ears on the back, and it is another Stitch. So we have a fourth Stitch. I can't even put them right here. There's a box in the way. So we have a fourth Stitch right there. Okay. So we're getting into our fifth box. This is the last box from the Disney Store site. And I can see from the back, this one is a duplicate. It is Figment. So we have another Figment. Is this going to be Stitch? Oh, it's not Stitch, because you would be able to feel Stitch's ears through here. And this one, oh, it looks familiar from the back, but it's not Stitch anyway. It is another Mr. Toad. Okay, so there we go. So we got 5 out of the 8 from my Disney Store boxes. So now these ones here are from Disneyland. I had Connie pick these up, and her channel or pickup service used to be called Connie's Magic Mail Service, but now she's had a few other people helping her with the pickups, so now she changed the name to Enchanted Pins and More. So if you need some Disneyland pickups, be sure to check them out on Instagram. So let's see if we can get the 3 that I'm missing from the Disneyland boxes. All right, are we gonna see a whole lot more Stitch? All right, this one, I could tell it is another duplicate. It is Mr. Toad. And I'm looking, we had 4 Stitches, so we had 5 boxes from the Disney Store, and 4 of those boxes had a Stitch in it. Okay, and what are we getting with Mr. Toad? Oh, this looks possibly different from the back. Oh, but it's not, it's Jiminy Cricket. So we have another Jiminy Cricket. Okay, we're like duplicating our 5 here. Well, now I can move Stitch down here. All right, so we have 3 pins that we have to still find, and we're down to 4 boxes. So, man, is it gonna happen? I'm not gonna complete this collection with this many tries. Okay, let me feel this one here. This one feels like it's not Stitch anyway, and it's not, but it is Figment. So we have another Figment. Oh wow, we have 4 Stitch, 3 Figments, and 3 Mr. Toads. What do we got here? Okay. Don't recognize the feel through the bag. Oh, I can tell from the back it is a Marie. So we have another Marie. So we have our 5 and we have another 5. So this box here got a little squished in shipping. So maybe the squished box will be the lucky box. Okay, let's see. Will it be a lucky box? Will we get closer? I see ears that we don't have. Yes. It is Mickey Mouse. Yay, Mickey ears. So this is the box. Looks like Mickey's buttons and the red shorts, and then it's a kind of a yellowish, brownish box there, and then Mickey is popping out of the box. So that is our 6th one. So we're still missing 2. Let's see if we can make some more progress with the Mickey box here. And this one from the back might be Jiminy Cricket, and it is. So we have our 3rd Jiminy Cricket. Okay, so we're down to 2 boxes, 2 pins to go. So this is starting to look not so good. And we are missing Cheshire Cat and Winnie the Pooh. So I got 4 tries to get those 2. I don't know. Hey, come on, let's just get one of those, right? And this one, nope, this one is another Figment. Ooh, we're going for the race here. Figment and Stitch. 4 each. Come on, Mr. Toad, are you gonna get in there too? Or Jiminy Cricket? And we have, well, see, I mentioned that. It's Mr. Toad. So now we have 4 Mr. Toads, 4 Figment, and 4 Stitch. I'm still missing 2 pins, 1 box left. Man, the odds felt so good, right? It seemed like, oh yeah, you get 20 tries to get 8 pins, sure. But nope, Cheshire Cat, Winnie the Pooh, they're just not showing up today, and they're not going to show up today because this one is another Mickey Mouse. All right, can we at least get one away? Please get one away. I want this to be Cheshire Cat or Winnie the Pooh, and it is, ooh, it looks different. It looks different. The head is kind of a little bit chunky, or not chunky, but kind of choppy. I don't think we have one there. So this one is Cheshire Cat. All right. So Cheshire Cat is coming out of a box that looks like, kind of looks like grass or maybe a tree. Almost looks like a Minecraft block. And then you have Cheshire Cat popping out of the box. So I got 7 out of the 8. So yeah, even with 20 tries to get 8 pins, still couldn't do it. So those were the Toys in a Box mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite is Mr. Toad, and I love that one because of the box that he's popping out of is the ride vehicle. So I love the design of that one, so that is my favorite here. So this was, I guess, a good unboxing for me because I did get 7 out of the 8. So anytime I only need 1 more pin, that's a good unboxing. However, I had 20 tries to get that 8 and it didn't happen. So in some ways, this was a horrible unboxing. I'm looking at the pins laid out here and I'm 1 away from completing the collection, but I'm also 2 pins away from completing the collection a second time. So that's the first time I think I've done that. So the one I'm missing here is Winnie the Pooh. So that's the one I need to complete my collection. And it should be very easy to find. I could just buy him on Instagram, but I'm gonna hold off on that because I do have the Pacific Northwest Mouse Meet coming up. That's on July 19th, which you're watching this video way after that, but hopefully somebody there is pin trading and they have Winnie the Pooh and they want Figment or Stitch or something. So it should be pretty easy to complete this collection now. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.